Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 5, and its title is Cultural Festival in Pakistan. So, my dear teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 6B, under the title of Listening and Speaking, we will cover up that how we can express ideas, needs, feelings one by one on page number 41. Before in English for grade 3, we have already learned to express different emotions, joy, sadness, and anger with expressions. Already we have learned that, so today we are going to get more about it, how we can express our different feelings. So our today's student learning outcomes are demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral group interaction to express needs, feelings, and ideas. Three things we are going to express in today's lecture: needs, feelings, and ideas, how we can express through different emotions. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, my dear students, Surah Tawbah, ayah number 40, do not grieve, indeed Allah is with us. So yes, this beautiful verse is telling us that we should not grieve at all, okay? We should not lose our hope, my dear students, because in every step of life, Allah Almighty is always with us. He always supports us. He always guides us to right path, to right direction, okay? So whenever we are going astray, when we are going to lose our hope, so we must remember this verse that do not grieve. Indeed, Allah is always with us, and Allah is always with everyone in the world, okay? That one is calling, that one is remembering, or that one is not remembering, no matter, but He Almighty is always with us. He always supports us. He always guides us, my dear student. And always pray to Almighty Allah that Allah Almighty guides us toward the right path. Ameen. There was a brainstorming activity, and there's a beautiful activity for you, my dear students. Yes, what do you have to do? There is an annual ceremony at your school. How do you feel? Which things do you need for it? Express in your class. Suppose there is an annual ceremony is going to be held in your school. So how you will feel on this ceremony, and which things would you need to attend the ceremony, okay? So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get different opinions and different feelings from your students. I am waiting for you. Excellent job. So I hope students have gave different opinions, different feelings, and they are so excited, and also they have shared their needs also. And definitely why they need, definitely there is a ceremony and they have to attend. So this is how we can share our ideas, feelings, and needs. So let's see that. When we need something, so we express our needs in a polite way. Need is something that must be done. There is reason behind every need. Okay, it's that definitely what we need when we need something. So what we do, my dear students? Yeah, we have to discuss, we have to share our needs. Suppose in class, in simple way in class, if you need something, if you need help of your teacher, if you're not understanding a question, so what you do? Yeah, definitely you ask from teacher, you ask your classmate that help me, share your things with me, each and everything that is related to your need. And definitely there is a reason behind every need. So it means that thing you need, you have to express your need in a polite way, okay? In a nice way. How? See there. What we have to do? To pass an exam, you need to study hard. Okay, there is a reason behind work hard. Why you have to study hard? Because you want to pass an exam. Already I told you that there is a reason behind every need. So there is a reason. Which reason? That you have to study hard. Why you have to study hard? Because you want to pass an exam. Okay, so Next what is? To lose weight, you need to take exercise regularly. Yeah, okay. See how he is losing his weight and how he is running. See, yes. So why he is doing all that? Because he need what he need? He need exercises regularly. And why? Because he want to lose his weight. Is it clear? This is how we have a reason behind every need. So next, what is an idea or thought? An idea is a thought, belief, opinion, or a plan. Idea refers to a plan or a process that occurs in the mind in the relation to the completion of a work or duty. That is idea. What is an idea? Idea is an opinion or any thought that we keep in our mind, my dear students. Okay, suppose I have different ideas for our learning. So you have, my dear teachers, also you also and students also have a different ideas, different thoughts. So these ideas and these thoughts, how we can put in front of others. There is also expressions. So if we will not share our ideas, our thoughts, how someone would be able to know that what we want, what is our idea, what is our thought, what's our opinion related anything, if we will not share. So suppose if we have to share, so what we have to do? Yes, we have to share, my dear students, in a polite way. Good. See there. Examples. I think we should move to home. Okay. I think we should move to home. Next. In my opinion, we must focus on studies. Okay. These are different ideas, my dear students. Different ideas, different opinions. Okay. It's vary from people to people. I think we should study together to clear concepts. Got it? Different ideas. So what is that? There is an idea that we must focus on studies. Another idea. What is another idea? Another idea is that we must study together to clear concepts. Means in group study. They are also giving opinion about group studies. Is it clear that in this way we can express our different thoughts and ideas? What is a feeling? Feeling is an emotional state or reaction. Okay, feeling is an emotional state. Which type of feeling? So at different stages, my dear students, we have different feelings. Sometimes we are happy and sometimes we are sad. Sometimes also we are so angry. Sometimes we should not be angry, but sometimes it happens as a human being that we can be angry. So different feelings we have according to the situation of time. Okay, so see there, a feeling of joy. So see there, feeling of joy. When we are happy, so also we express our happiness through our visual words and different ways. Okay, so this is the also way. And next you can see, oh, what happened to him? A feeling of sadness. Oh, he is so sad. Okay, and also he is weeping. Oh, why he is so sad? He should not be sad. Okay, you should not be sad if something is irritating you, if something is disturbing you. So you must share with your teacher, with your parents, but no need to be sad. Okay, so this is also a feeling when we feel sadness. Is it clear? See, oh, what happened to him? A feeling of anger. Oh, look how angry he is. How much angry? We should not be angry at all. Okay, keep remember, we should not be angry at all. But how much angry? Look, this is also a feeling, my dear students. That feeling of joy, feeling of anger, and feeling of sadness. Different feelings we have and we can express also. We can express by our facial expressions. We can express through words. So different ways are there. Okay. So there is an activity for you. Now have you got that? How we express our different feelings, emotions? Good students. So now we are going to perform an activity. So there is on page number 41, my dear students and my dear teachers, what you have to do. You will give this dialogue to your students to express the needs, ideas and feelings one by one. Okay, call students in front of the board, and these students in the shape of pairs are separate students. It's up to you, my dear teachers. So they will express all things in a beautiful way. Okay, enjoy this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now you have got that how we can express our different needs, different ideas and different feelings in different situations. Excellent job. So what's our homework for today? You will write 10 sentences to express each expression, needs, ideas and feelings in your notebook. So you have to write different expressions in your notebook. So this is worksheet, my dear teachers. And this worksheet link is given below. You may click it and provide it to your students, and you will call the students. They will express all these, okay, in front of class, and next classmates have to judge that this is an idea, this is a feeling, and this is like anger or need. What is this? Okay. So what we have learned today? Today we covered up how to share our needs, ideas and feelings, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to express needs, feelings and ideas. Yes, we have done with it, and we also got then how we have to share our different feelings in different situations. So we have to share, my dear students. There is a beautiful tip for you. If something is disturbing you, if something you have in your heart and you want to discuss, so you must share with your parents, and after that you have to share with your teacher also. So teacher or parents are well wishers and they can suggest you in a better way. Okay, so this was our today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.